Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Have you ever found yourself locked out of your Facebook account just because you couldn't remember your password? Don't worry. If you've previously allowed your Android phone to save your login information, you might be able to retrieve it without resetting your password. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to view your saved Facebook password using the Google Password Manager built into Android. We'll also show you what to do if your password isn't saved. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down until you find Google, then tap on it. Then, select the main Google account on your phone. Usually this is the first Google account created or added on your phone. Next, tap on Manage your Google account. A new menu will appear. Here, swipe right to open the Security tab. Scroll down until you see Password Manager, and tap on it. This section contains all the application and situs web you've saved through Google Chrome or Android's autofill system. Now, scroll down and find Facebook. If your password is saved, you'll see Facebook listed. Tap on it. You'll be asked to verify your identity. This could be a fingerprint, PIN, or facial recognition depending on your security settings. Once verified, you'll see your saved Facebook username and password displayed. To view the password, tap the eye icon in the password field. Just like that, you've recovered your login information. And there you have it. That's how to view a forgotten Facebook password on your Android phone. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.